Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing same chapter series, chapter number 10, working with Animate CC. And today we will cover using animation, and today we will cover only one topic of this that is motion twin. Let's start it. Animation. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as a moving images. It means that when still images are just like they are moving, that is called animation. When a series of images are displayed in a rapid sequence at fixed interval of time, an illusion of movement is created. It is called animation. Means when we create a number of images and they are displaying like they are moving, so that is called animation. Next one is twinning. Twinning means in between. The movement from one keyframe to the other becomes convenient with the use of twinning. As we have already discussed about the keyframe and frame in the previous video, so when that images will move from one keyframe to another, that will become very easy with the help of twinning. So there are three types of twinning. First one is motion twin, second is shape twin, and third is classic twin. Motion twin, as the name indicate, motion means movement. When an object will move from one place to another, that is called motion. We create a motion twin between by specifying the starting and ending position of an object in keyframe. So in this twinning, we will specify starting point and ending point. Animate automatically fills the in-between frames. We don't need to create the frames, keyframes. Animate automatically fills the frames in between for creating the animation. So to apply a motion twin, it is required to convert an object into symbol. Like for the shape twin, it is not required to convert an object into symbol, but for the motion twin or classic, so it is required to convert firstly that object into the symbol. So let's start it practically how to do motion twin. So firstly, we are creating one object. So it is up to you. You can create an object with the help of drawing tool, or you can import an image. So I will explain you by both method. Although all the steps are same to do, but you can do any. So for example, if you want to draw yourself, just take any one object. As you know, with the property, you can change the stroke color. As you know, you can change the fill color also according to your requirement. So I am just making one object like a bowl. I am just making it here. Okay. And now the second thing is I will convert this one object into symbol. So how you can convert? As in the previous video, the topic was symbol and how to create the symbol. So we have done in the previous video how to create, or you can say convert an object into symbol. So just go to the selection tool and with the mouse left click, just select the area which you want to select. So now you can look at here, this object has been selected. After that, you just go to the modify menu, and under the modify menu, one option is there that is convert to symbol. As I have already explained in the previous class, the shortcut key of convert to symbol is F8. Just click on it. When you will click on convert to symbol, one dialog box will open. So you can give the name of your symbol like I am giving here bold, and the type must be graphic type. So just click on OK. As you know, when you will convert an object into symbol, then Under the library, that object automatically will be saved, and you can create as many instances as you want to create. So all these things we have already discussed in the previous video, so just leave it. Now come to the topic. Now we have converted this object into symbol. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to provide the motion twin. So for that purpose, what you will do, you will just go to the insert menu, and there is one option, motion twin. Either you can go from here, or just right click on the frame and then choose create motion twin. Then you can see automatically from 1 to 25 frame has been created. You can see animate automatically fills the gap, or you can say flash automatically fills the gap in between. No need to create the new one. So now I am just informing the destination. For example, I am taking this one, ending point. So now you can look at here from the starting to ending. That path has been showing from this point to this point, it will be moved. So if you want to play it, either just press the enter key, or go to the control and just click on play. So you can use the enter key. So it will be played here. And if you want to test your movie, just control plus enter. So it will create a SWF format at the same location. So this option will be available here also under the control. Go to control, and here is test movie, and then just click on test, or just press the control plus enter. It will test your movie. And when you will test your movie, it will create a SWF format at the same location where you have saved it. So this is called motion twin. Or if you want to play it here only, just press the enter key. So as you have seen, firstly what we have done, we have created an object, and then we have converted it into the symbol, and then just we have create the motion twin. Then automatically the gap has been filled, and we have decided the destination, and then it has been moved. The same thing we are doing on image also. I'm just opening a new file by pressing Ctrl plus N. Now I'm not making an object by using drawing tool. I am just importing one image. For that purpose, go to the file menu, go to import, and here is option import to stage, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus R. Okay, just click on it. Which one image you want to insert, just choose the image and click on open. As you can see, this image is very large, so I'm just decreasing the width and height. I'm giving 120 here and 140 here height. So you can see here. Now the same method you will apply. Firstly, you will convert it into the symbol. So just go to the selection tool and select the area which you want to select it. Under the modify, choose the option convert to symbol, or either press F8. It's up to you. You can change the name. So just give the name. I have given car here. Okay. Now I have converted it into the symbol. So just go to the insert and then click on motion twin. So automatically you can see flash automatically fills the gap between from 1 to 25. Now I am choosing the destination. For example, I want to move from left to right. So I have choose this location. So automatically one path has been created in front of you. So when you will press the enter key, you can see, or just press the control plus enter if you want to test your movie. So like that it will be moved. So in this video I have explained motion twin. In the next video I will explain shape twin and classic twin. So this is our topic, today's topic.